In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update and use status labels in a Monday.com board. To get started, open your Monday.com board and go to the table or workflow you want to manage. Status labels are one of the most useful ways to keep your board organized because they give you a quick visual snapshot of where each task or item stands. This makes it easier for you and your team to understand progress at a glance without needing to open every single item. If your board doesn't already have a status column, go ahead and add one. This column is designed specifically for tracking progress, and it works especially well in project boards, task lists, and team workflows. Having a dedicated status column helps standardize updates so everyone is using the same language when they report progress. Once the status column is available, click on any status cell in the row you want to update. A menu will appear with several label options you can use to describe the current stage of that item. You can choose a label such as not started, working on it, stuck, or done. These labels are simple, clear, and easy to recognize, which is why they're commonly used in many workflows. If the default labels don't match the way your team works, you can customize them. Adjusting the status labels allows you to reflect your actual process more accurately. For example, you might want labels that better match your internal stages or terminology. The goal is to make the board as practical and intuitive as possible for the people using it every day. As work changes, remember to update the status regularly. This is an important habit because the usefulness of your board depends on how current the information is. If a task moves forward, gets delayed, or is completed, the status should be changed right away so the board continues to reflect reality. Keeping statuses updated helps reduce confusion and improves communication across your team. Status labels are also valuable beyond simple visual tracking. You can use them for filters, which makes it easier to view only items in a certain stage. They're also useful in automations, allowing actions to happen automatically when a status changes. On top of that, status labels help power reports and dashboards, giving you better insight into progress, bottlenecks, and completed work. By using status labels consistently, you can turn a basic board into a much more effective tracking and reporting tool.